Welcome back to Miniature Automobiles, the channel where we dive deep into the world of miniature cars and collectibles. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Today, we've got something truly exciting, an unboxing of a $4,000 Chinese Range Rover, and trust me, you're in for a treat. Before we get into the unboxing, let me tell you a bit about this miniature gem. This model is not your average toy car. It's a high-end, meticulously crafted replica of the iconic Range Rover, with every detail replicated to perfection. What makes this model stand out, besides its stunning craftsmanship, is the price tag. At $4,000, it's not a car you'll see just lying around at your local toy store. This is for serious collectors and enthusiasts who appreciate quality and detail. Now, let's get to the fun part, unboxing this beauty. Right off the bat, you'll notice the premium packaging. The box itself is sturdy, sleek, and decorated with elegant branding, which immediately gives you the sense that you're about to experience something special. Opening it up, you're greeted with a soft foam insert that cradles the model securely. The moment you remove the packaging, you'll be struck by the weight and the solid feel of the miniature Range Rover. It's not a flimsy plastic model. This one feels robust and substantial, just like the real thing. The attention to detail is immediately noticeable. From the rich paint job to the perfectly sculpted body lines, this model Range Rover looks nearly identical to its full-size counterpart. The wheels are made from high-quality materials, and even the tire tread patterns are intricately designed. The rims are sleek, shiny, and look just like the ones you'd find on a real Range Rover. As you move around the model, you'll also see that the interior is fully detailed. The seats, steering wheel, and dashboard are all meticulously crafted, and you can even spot small details like the gear stick, air conditioning vents, and buttons on the console. It's clear that no corner was cut in making this miniature model as true to life as possible. What truly sets this Range Rover apart is the technology built into it. Yes, you heard that right. This is not just a static model. It features working lights, including headlights, tail lights, and interior lights, all powered by a small battery. Additionally, the car has a remote control feature, allowing you to move it forward, backward, and turn it from side to side. It's the kind of technology that adds an extra layer of excitement and fun for collectors who love to interact with their models. The exterior finish is absolutely stunning. The paint job is flawless, with a deep, glossy sheen that catches the light beautifully. The Range Rover logo is proudly displayed on the front grille, and you can see the fine details in the chrome accents and other decorative touches. Now, let's talk about the price. At $4,000, this model isn't for everyone, but for those who appreciate the artistry behind high-end miniature cars, it's an investment worth considering. The level of craftsmanship, the working features, and the attention to detail make it a standout in the world of collectible cars. If you're a fan of high-end models and rare finds, this Chinese-made Range Rover is definitely something you'll want to add to your collection. And that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you enjoyed this look at the $4,000 Chinese Range Rover. If you did, make sure to subscribe to Miniature Automobiles, like this video, and share it with your friends. I'd love to hear what you think of this model. Would you consider adding it to your collection? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more exciting unboxings and reviews right here on Miniature Automobiles.